Ooh, smells just as good as it looks. What a beautiful morning. Woke up to that view from my tent. Can't beat it. I've got some water for some coffee going over here on the fire. It's already shaping up to be a banger. Oh yeah, there we go. So this morning for breakfast, I'm going to try something different that I've never done before. I'm going to take this dehydrated fruit, which is dehydrated bananas, dehydrated peaches, and dehydrated apples. I'm going to try and make like an apple turnover out of this Bannock. Now this is some Bannock that I made that has cinnamon in it. So I made it for breakfasts and snacks, and I'm going to give it a go. So fingers crossed, we'll see how this works. This fruit was sprinkled with cinnamon and sugar when I dehydrated it. So I'm thinking if I let this rehydrate and then cook it down so it might get a little bit sugary and syrupy, and then put it inside the Bannock and fold it. We'll see. If you get the consistency right in the bag, it doesn't make a mess at all. I mean, it peels right off. See that? Pretty cool. I'm gonna go put that fruit on the fire and get it heating up, and then I'm gonna press this out while that's happening. Now that those are boiling, take it off. I'm gonna cover it. I'm gonna let it sit. I think this is gonna work. I'm gonna put this on the heat one more time just to cook off just a little bit more of that moisture. That worked out pretty slick. And we're gonna fry it in coconut oil. There we go. Ooh, smells just as good as it looks. Very good, man. What a treat out here. I'll be doing that again, that's for sure. That was everything I hoped it would be and more. Just absolutely fantastic. Delicious. Everything's better when you're in the woods, but I'm pretty sure that I would go to a restaurant and pay money for that. Real good. Now we're just going to work on packing up, paddling on out of here. On to the next one. What a week.